Hello guys, today we'll learn about supervised versus unsupervised learning. It is a core concept in machine learning. The fundamental distinction. It all comes down to the data. Labeled data versus unlabeled data. Supervised learning uses labeled data, input paired with the correct output. The process is analogous to student learning under the guidance of a teacher. The model learns a mapping function from input to output. The primary goal is prediction or classification of new unseen data. As you can see in this picture, we have labeled data and labels. We apply some machine learning algorithm and get an ML model that predict or classify the new unseen data. Some supervised learning algorithm. Classification algorithm. Data, logistic regression, decision trees, support vector, machines, k nearest neighbors, random forest. Regression algorithm. Data, linear regression, polynomial regression, and some tree-based method for predicting continuous values. These algorithms are used with the historical outcome is known for the training dataset. Supervised case study. K nearest neighbors. How it works? KNN is a simple, non-parametric algorithm. It classifies a new data point based on the majority vote of its k nearest already labeled neighbors in the feature space. It assumes similar data point exist in close proximity. Versatile application. KNN can be used for both classification and regression. It is often one of the first algorithms tried due to its ease of implementation and effectiveness. Supervised scenario. Image classification. The problem is train a system to identify an image as either a dog or a cat. The data set of thousands of images, each labeled with dog or cat. The outcome, the model learns the visual features associated with each label can accurately classify a completely new unlabeled image. As you can see in this picture, we have an visual example. We have a data set, a labeled data set with fruits name also apple, orange, apple, and some other fruit can be also there. We train it on some ML algorithm to predict the new unseen data. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data, input only, no known output. The model is an explorer, finding patterns and structure independently. There is no correct answer guiding the algorithm during training. The goal is discovery, segmentation, or dimensionality reduction. Some unsupervised learning algorithm. Clustering. K means clustering, hierarchical clustering, DBSCAN for grouping similar data points, dimensionality reduction, principal component analysis, TSNE for simplifying complex data, association, a priori algorithm for finding relation between variables in large dataset. Unsupervised case study. K means clustering. How it works? K means groups data into K clusters. It iteratively finds the centroid for each group and assigns every data point to the nearest centroid, minimizing the distance between the point and their cluster center. Market segmentation. This is a foundational algorithm for market segmentation. It allows business to automatically divide their customer base into natural, unpredefined groups based on their behavior, enabling hyper-targeted marketing strategies. Unsupervised scenario. Customer segmentation. The problem is a company needs to find natural distinct group of customers based on their purchasing behavior. The data is customer purchase history and demographics unlabeled for segments. The outcome, the K-means model uncovers segments that is high value spenders, bargain hunters that were not explicitly defined beforehand, allowing for tailored sales and strategies. Differences between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Data type. Supervised learning uses labeled data and unsupervised learning unlabeled data. Learning process. In supervised learning, a model is guided by known outcomes, like a teacher. In unsupervised learning, model finds pattern independently, like self-exploration. Primary goal. In supervised learning, goal is to prediction, classification, and regression. And in unsupervised learning, goal is clustering, association, dimensionality reduction. Example algorithms of supervised learning is k nearest neighbors and unsupervised learning is k means clustering. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below.